Ready to race. Race number 2, Santana Park. And the rope. Early lead is taken by One Bahamas from the outside. And Princess Julian moving up on the inside. Mike Jopping, Black Label, War Alert, and Early Greetings. And at the mid-back stretch, it's still the favorite, One Bahamas by 3.5 lengths, followed by Princess Julian in second. Moving up on the inside, entry number 1, Black Label, Mike Jopping, War Alert, and Early Greetings. Rounding the fat turn, the favorite, One Bahamas by 3.5 lengths, Princess Julian, and Black Label moving up on the inside. On the outside, it's Mike Jopping, and closing in is War Alert. But it's still One Bahamas by 2.5 lengths, followed by Black Label in second, and Princess Julian, Mike Jopping. The last bend for home, it is still One Bahamas in the lead, Black Label, and Princess Julian moving up on the outside, War Alert moving up on the inside, Mike Jopping, and Early Greetings. Into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still One Bahamas in the lead, followed by Black Label on the outside, and War Alert by the rail. One Bahamas by the rail, moving up on the outside, it's Black Label. It's still One Bahamas, Mike Jopping by the rail, and Black Label. And finally at the payoff line, it's One Bahamas, Mike Jopping, Black Label, War Alert, Early Greetings, and Princess Julian.
Unofficial na datingan natin. At